If you're looking to identify phishing risks and protect your organization, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into how Tenable helps you spot phishing threats and secure your systems. Stick around, because I'm going to show you some quick, actionable steps and give you a free way to try out Tenable for yourself. Let's get straight into it. First off, Tenable is a powerful cybersecurity tool designed to help businesses find and fix vulnerabilities, including phishing risks. What makes it stand out is its ability to provide real-time insights, track vulnerabilities across multiple platforms, and help you identify threats before they escalate. Next thing, Tenable's vulnerability scanning is one of the first places to start when identifying phishing risks. By scanning your network for weaknesses, Tenable can pinpoint where phishing attempts are most likely to succeed. For example, outdated software or improperly configured email systems could be prime targets for attackers, and Tenable can help you catch those risks early. Now, let's talk about phishing attack simulations. Tenable has an excellent feature that lets you run simulated phishing attacks on your team to gauge how well they respond to potential threats. It's like a test run for real-world phishing scenarios. This is a critical way to understand where your vulnerabilities lie, not just in technology, but in human behavior as well. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Tenable's risk prioritization feature. Once phishing risks are identified, Tenable helps you prioritize them based on the potential damage they could cause. This way, you're focusing your efforts on the most critical issues first, reducing the chances of a phishing attack slipping through the cracks. Another powerful aspect is Tenable's reporting features. With detailed reports, you can track and analyze phishing risk over time. This data not only helps you prevent future threats, but also shows you how your team's awareness and your system's defenses are improving. And of course, Tenable integrates well with other security tools. This means it can share data with your firewalls, email filters, and security information management systems, so you have a holistic view of all the phishing risks across your organization. I mentioned earlier that you can try Tenable for free, right? The link below gives you an exclusive opportunity to access their services with bonuses, so make sure you grab that. To wrap up, Tenable is a powerful tool for identifying and addressing phishing risks, from vulnerability scanning to phishing simulations and reporting. With it, you can be confident you're on the right track to securing your systems. Don't forget, the link below gives you access to a free trial with exclusive bonuses, so you can try out all these features for yourself. Make sure to take action and get started with Tenable today.